In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the Instagram login code not received. If you're trying to log into your Instagram account and you are not receiving the code on your SMS or on your email address, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, for the most part, these sort of issues happen from the Instagram side and not from your own side. But just in case, to be on the safe side, what you can do is try toggling on and off the airplane mode. So just tap on the airplane mode button. Just turn it off and then turn it on again. Now, once this step is complete, if you're now still facing the issue, the second thing that you can try out is look for if you are connected to a VPN. If you are connected to VPN, make sure that you disconnect first of all and try logging in. Sometimes being connected to a VPN is likely gonna cause these sort of issues. What you can also try out is to receive code on your SMS or on your email address and try switching between those and try to see on which platform you receive those messages. As I said earlier, it is likely not the case from your side and it's going to be the case on the Instagram side. So you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes even a couple of hours before this issue is likely automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.